Hello everyone, Bon Marie here and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So we're going to make a really cute slimline card and we're going to use this cute goat from the Cranky Pants stamp set. And I've been wanting to use him for a while, or maybe it's a she, I'm not sure. But I am using the outline die, and then I was thinking of using that background, but I chose not to. But I will be using a stencil and then that slimline die set, which is a slimline meadow die set. And so I am heat embossing. I stamped and heat embossed it on white cardstock, or actually this is, well, it is white cardstock, it's hammer mill, and I am just coloring it in simply with my Copic markers, and I have my colors listed above, but I will also have them in the description in case you are interested. And I was going for a goat that was kind of light. I googled goats and I found a really light one and I really like that. And then I like that this goat has like pants, or at least I think it is pants with a patch. So, and I went for like a pinkish, orangish color. So I just had fun, and this coat is just cracks me up, and I had a lot of fun coloring it. And later on, I did see a goat on TV, and it was really cute, and I was like, oh my gosh, I just made a goat card, and it was so fun to see that goat on TV. So really neat. And I'm just using my gray markers here, my coal gray markers, and just simply coloring in the feet with the gray markers as well. So a really easy color combo here, and I always like it when it's easy. And this goat has a bunch of sentiments on the stamp set, so I think that was the hardest thing, to choose which sentiment I wanted to use. And then I am coloring in his ears with some pink there, my RO2 marker, and later I will give him some cheeks. And actually I colored in those little dots there with my E marker there. And I'm sure it's at E34. And then I am using it again for the darker part of his body, and then I will blend everything out. And this might be my first goat stamp set using, so it's really cute. I want a farm with farm animals, and I would love a cute goat. So if you have a farm, I'm so jealous. You have some cute farm animals. I get some bunnies in my yard, so that's always fun, and squirrels. And after I finish coloring in his body, I believe I will color in his bell and then his pants. So it was pretty much just blending everything in, and because I'm using light markers, it took me a little bit. And so here is his bell, and I'm just using some yellow markers here. And next is his pants. And I went with some R markers, and then I did add an orange color or yellow. Well, I guess it's a yellow-red color. It was the YR65. And then I will color in his patch with the C4 and C3. and he will be all finished. Or she. I'm not sure if this goat is a boy or a girl. I just think it's cute. And then I will work on my background and my slimline meadow die set. And I love using distress inks, and so I loved making this background. So I'll cut them out with the outline die, and using my Anna Griffith die cutting machine, and I think he looks really great. And so here is the die set, and I like that you can insert other dies or die cuts into there. And so I'm using antique linen for this ground, and then I will use It's Cloudy with some tumbled glass and just adding a few clouds. And I think I was going for maybe like a hay look for the ground. I did add some greenery with some shrubs and some bunnies, and so everybody has food to eat with the hay and the shrubs. And then I added a few flowers, so it kind of looks springy, and it can be. And I just had fun using all of these products together, and you can make it a Valentine card as well. I almost did that as well too. So you can add like a heart and just a Valentine sentiment, or it could go with the Cranky Pants sentiments too. There's also birthday sentiments, so I went for a sassy sentiment for this card, and it'll say, did someone put on their cranky pants this morning? So, and I gave that bunny some pink in their ears and eyes. And I will add my sentiment. I will stamp and heat emboss it, and then I'm going to use the quick strips dies to cut it out. And here I'm just coloring in my shrubs with a green marker, and I will put in that green marker in the description. And I thought it would be fun to insert them. And there's also another piece that comes with this die set as well. There's a few pieces. There's a tree, and so a lot. I recommend this slimline die set. And so there's my sentiment, and then I'll cut it out with that strip after I heat emboss it. And then I will glue everything to a card base that's 110 pounds, and I will add foam tape to my goat, to the back of my goat, and my sentiment. And I actually changed the way I put my sentiment because it was a little crooked to me, so I did change it after this video. And next I will add some white gel accents, and this finishes my card. So I hope you like it. It was fun to make. I love this goat, and I will be back soon with another video. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for joining me today.